Hey guys, it's Misty with Mystic Gigi. Today we're going to be doing a Dutch pour, my faves, and it's a pretty simple recipe or pretty simple colors. We're just going with some silver, gold, white, and the best, coolest color ever, and it's by ColourArte, and it's called Antique Copper, but it has like a really cool plum purple shift to it. So I'm excited to see how it turns out. And my ratios are the same as always, 2 ounces of Floetrol, 1 ounce paint, ½ ounce water. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me and it helps me and it's free for you. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for the love and the support. You guys make my world go round. All right. So also check out the description box below. I got all kinds of links and goodies down there and discount codes. So check it out and let me know if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to help. And my base color is black. Sorry, the artist left black. And my canvas size is 16 by 20 inches. And I will let you guys watch. Thanks so much, guys. Okay, guys, we are almost done. I am really happy with the way it turned out. And the cells and the lacing when I bring you down for the close-up, oh, it's amazing. So that purple color you're seeing is a lot darker in person, like a plum, instead of a bright purple like you're seeing. I think you'll see it when I do the close-up. But check out those cells. The cells are just amazing. And also, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help. Leave your questions in the comments or email me. I do help people one-on-one, like through video, uh, video help. So let me know if you're need any help or have any questions. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It'll help me out a ton. And hit the like button if you liked it. Share it if you enjoyed it and you want to share it with your friends. Please do so. All that stuff helps me out. So also, if you're interested in any of my pieces, they are for sale as long as they're available. So just email me and I can talk with you about pricing and whatnot. And don't forget to check out the description box below because I have discount codes for KS Resin, ColourArte. I got Amazon links for like my hair dryer that I use and just different tools and stuff that I use down below. And yeah, so go check it out. Go get yourself some discounts if you're going to buy it anyways. Might as well get a discount. All right, guys. Oh, check out that shimmer. Oh, I love it. That's that bronze antique copper that has the purple shift. That's what you're seeing. It's awesome. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to leave me a comment if you liked it. Tell me what you think. Okay, guys. Stay tuned for these pictures, and then it'll be over. Thanks so much for joining. Until next time, bye for now.